This is a tutorial on scope and inheritance for computer science by Anish Kotu. Let's meet the Pal family. There's Peter Pal, the father, Patricia Pal, the mom, and Patrick Pal, their son. Let's see how they're doing. Peter is a politician and is very comfortable in the public setting. Everyone knows him and most of his personal details because as a politician, he is relatively transparent. Public members are visible to all other classes. This means that any other class can access a public field or method. Further, other classes can modify public fields unless the field is declared as final. Patricia, on the other hand, is a very private person, and although she thinks many things in her head, she will rarely reveal them to the public like Peter would. Private methods are similar because private methods cannot be accessed by any other class other than the one in which the method is in. Patrick's dad, Peter, is here writing a will for Patrick. After Peter dies, Patrick will obtain many of Peter's assets. Protected methods are similar because protected methods can only be accessed by that class in which the method is in, as well as any child classes of that class, but no more. There is sometimes confusion between overriding and overloading. We will discuss the two and their differences here.
There are three people at a party enjoying themselves. You can identify each specific person by looking at the drinks he is drinking. Therefore, you can tell that there are three different people, even though everyone's name is John.
The three Johns would have the same method name, but all would be different methods altogether. We could tell their difference because of the different parameters they have. Let's suppose the parameters are the drinks. The John on the left has two different drinks than the John on the right, and the John in the middle has three parameters. This is overload. Contrary to what it might seem, overriding has far little to do with riding a horse. Let's see what it means.
A teacher gives each of her students a problem and then the solution to that problem, and her assignment is for each student to come up with their own solution to the same problem.
Suppose there are two methods, one in the child class and one in the parent class. If the method is called within the child class, only the method within that class will be used rather than its parent method because it has more jurisdiction within that particular scope. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. We'll see you next time.
Created using Powtoon.